Want to learn some essential Spanish words? Dive right in. Spanish is a beautiful language spoken by millions across the globe. Whether you're traveling, connecting with a new friend, or simply broadening your linguistic horizons, the ability to express yourself in Spanish can open up a world of opportunities. Now, let's dive into our first 5 words. Our first word is lo, which translates to it in English. Here's a sentence: Lo necesito para mañana. This means I need it for tomorrow. Let's repeat that. Lo necesito para mañana. Next up we have todo, meaning all. Try this sentence. Todo está bien. This translates to everything is fine. Let's say it again. Todo está bien. Our third word is pero, which means but. Here's how you use it in a sentence. Quiero ir, pero estoy cansado. In English that's I want to go, but I'm tired. Repeat after me. Quiero ir, pero estoy cansado. The fourth word on our list is más, translating to more. Here's a sentence. Necesito más tiempo. This means I need more time. Let's go over it again. Necesito más tiempo. Our final word for this session is hacer, which means to do or to make. An example of this in a sentence is Voy a hacer la cena. This translates to I'm going to make dinner. Repeat with me. Voy a hacer la cena. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to rewind and go over these words as many times as you need. The beauty of language learning is in repetition and consistency. The more you practice, the more these words will become second nature to you. Great job on those first 5 words. Ready for the next set? Now that you've got the first half down, let's tackle the last 5 words. We'll start with O, which means or in English. Try saying it with me, O. Now let's use it in a sentence. ¿Prefieres café o té? Yes, that's right. It means do you prefer coffee or tea? Let's repeat that 3 times. Moving on to our next word, poder. This is a handy word that means to be able to. Let's pronounce it together, poder. And here's how you can use it in a sentence. Yo puedo hablar español. That means I can speak Spanish. Repeat after me 3 times. Next, we have the word decir, which translates to say or to tell. Let's say it together, decir. Now let's use it in a sentence. Ella puede decir la verdad. This means she can tell the truth. Let's say it again 3 times. Now let's move to the word este, meaning this in English. Pronounce it with me, este. Let's use it in a sentence. Este es mi libro. It means this is my book. Repeat it with me 3 times. Last but not least, we have ir, which means to go. Let's pronounce it together, ir. Here's a sentence for you. Vamos a ir al cine. This translates to we are going to the cinema. Let's practice it 3 times. Well done. You've just learned 10 essential Spanish words. Keep practicing and you'll have them down in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, adios and keep learning.